Welcome to this tutorial for HANDMADE. In this video, we'll walk through importing products from Etsy into WooCommerce using HANDMADE, modifying all you want. With just a few simple steps, you can start your dropshipping business already. No further ado, let's go into details now. First, you need to have the plugin activated. Head to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, find the HANDMADE plugin, and activate it. Note that both WooCommerce and the EPOW plugin are required for HANDMADE to work. Next, we'll install the browser extension. You can do this in two ways. From the plugin settings, on the Settings or Import List page, click the green Install Extension button. Or add the extension directly from the Chrome Web Store. Go to the General Settings tab and click the link to the extension page. Click Add to Chrome and pin it to your toolbar for easy access. Now, after you get your extension installed, the next step is to connect your domain to it. There are two options. From the plugin settings, click the green Connect Extension button on the Settings or Import List page and click Approve. Or head to Etsy, copy your site URL, and paste it into the domain field in the extension settings. Click Need Authenticating, approve the connection, and you're all set. Here comes the main job. You can now import Etsy products into WooCommerce. On a category page, there's an import button, which is a plus icon to import multiple products without navigating to each single product page. It'll help you save time a lot. If you prefer to do it from a single product page, no problem. Use the import button. You just need to click it to have the details imported. In this section, you'll find a range of settings to customize how Etsy products are imported and displayed in your WooCommerce store. These options let you control everything from product visibility and description format to stock management and image handling. You can choose the default status for imported products, whether they appear as published, drafts, or pending review. There's also flexibility in how product descriptions and images are imported, whether you want to pull in full descriptions, item specifics, or even external links for images directly from Etsy. Be sure to have Xmatch activated, as this feature requires the plugin. For those working with variations, you can decide how attributes are handled and whether variations are visible on product pages. Additionally, you can assign default categories, tags, and shipping classes to streamline product organization. Overall, these settings offer a powerful way to customize and automate the importing process, making your store management more efficient and tailored to your business needs. In this section, you'll configure how Etsy product prices are adjusted to fit your WooCommerce store's currency and pricing strategy. First, there's the exchange rate setting. Here, you'll select the currency used in your Etsy account and set the exchange rate relative to your store's currency. This ensures accurate price conversion, keeping your product prices consistent and competitive. Next, the price rule option allows you to define specific pricing strategies based on different price ranges. You can choose from various actions such as increasing prices by a percentage, adding a fixed amount, multiplying the price, or setting it to a specific value. Each action is applied to both the regular price and sale price. This helps automate pricing adjustments, making it easier to manage your profit margins across different product categories without the need to manually changing price in each product. These settings give you full control over how prices are calculated, but if you want to edit price individually, it's alright. We'll learn that in the next part. Once imported, products will appear in the import list. There is a message like this in each product. Price of the product applicable to the United States, English, US, US dollar. This is based on your Etsy account settings at the time of import. Let's take a closer look at each tab. Product. View and edit product details like the title, SKU, product status, categories, price, if the product is simple, etc. Description. Review or modify the product description. Custom product options. Manage any custom options available. Attributes and variations. Edit product attributes and variations. Add variation image, select a default variation and ones to import, adjust sale regular price and inventory directly. Gallery. Choose images you want to import to WooCommerce product gallery. You'll also find 3 shortcut buttons under each product for quick actions. Import now. Instantly import the product into your WooCommerce store. Remove, delete the product from the import list. View on Etsy. Open the product page directly on Etsy to review its details. Bulk actions are also available. You can bulk delete, bulk import, and set categories, tags, shipping classes, product status, and visibility. Once imported, the product will move to the imported page. On the imported page, you'll see key product data, including the title, SKU, price, and Etsy settings such as country, language, and currency at the time of import. Here, there are shortcuts to help you view the product on your WooCommerce front end or back end. View the product on Etsy and delete the product from the imported list or remove it from your WooCommerce store. To find specific products, use the search bar and enter the Etsy product title. Note that the search uses the original Etsy title, not the modified WooCommerce title. To wrap up, let's check how your imported products appear on your WooCommerce store. Head to the front end and view the product you just imported. You'll see all the details. They are now ready for your customers to browse and purchase. Let me know if you need anything else.